Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy for June. This month's theme is Sunny Days Ahead. Use the link in my description box to sign up. The Glam Bag design features a neoprene material and nylon rope zipper pull. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the Frank Body Rosehip Body Scrub and Cleanser, Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner, Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum, Formula Z Glamgasm Face and Eye Palette, and the Benefit Plushtint Moisturizing Matte Lip Tint in Cream Puff. Now let's open Boxycharm by Ipsy. Inside we have the Lyfestyle Co. Align Perfume, Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser, First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer with Sunscreen, Half Caked Eye Defy Zero Gravity Mascara, and the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lipstick in Birthday Suit. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. I'm starting on skincare and using the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. This is packed with ceramides and colloidal oatmeal. I've really been loving Glow Recipe products lately, and I don't have a cleanser from them yet, so I'm excited to add this to my collection. After that, I'm trying the Tony Moly Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. Just like the cleanser, this is also formulated with ceramides. The milky consistency of this is supposed to provide prolonged hydration, and you can immediately feel just how hydrating it is. Next, I'm using the Innisfree Green Tea Enzyme Vitamin C Brightening Serum. You're supposed to use 2 to 3 drops of this in the AM or PM. It claims to help fade dark spots and post-breakout marks for a more even-toned complexion. Now let's finish our skincare routine with the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Moisturizer with Sunscreen. This is a new arrival from First Aid Beauty. I already have this product without sunscreen, so now I'm really happy to have it with sunscreen, especially now during summer because SPF is just so important. Moving on to makeup, we have the Formula Z Glamgasm Face and Eye Palette. This 8-pan palette retails for $32. Let's swatch it. It features a highlighter, blush, and 6 different eyeshadow shades. On the back, it features instructions of how they recommend you use the palette, so I'm just going to follow that. First, I'm picking up the shade Rowdy. I'm using this to highlight. It is a chunkier consistency, which isn't really my favorite. Next, I'm grabbing the shade Most Wanted. I'm using this as blush. This is really pigmented and could definitely be used as an eyeshadow as well. For eyes, I'm starting with the shade Shelly. I'm applying this as a base all over the lid. Next, I'm dipping into the shade called Love It. I'm using this as a transition shade. Now I'm using the shade Hot Mess. This is going to deepen up the crease. Up next is the shimmery green shade called As If. I'm applying this to the outer corner. After that, we have the other shimmer shade called Batty. I'm applying this to the inner corner. The look is really coming together now. Finally, I'm using the shade called Princess and just smoking out the lash line. After that, we have the Half Caked Eye Defy Zero Gravity Mascara. This retails for $18. Wow, I think my lashes grew over vacation because they've never looked this good. But I'm still going to add false lashes because I just always do. Finally, I'm applying the Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm Lipstick. This is in the shade Birthday Suit. Here's a quick swatch. It's a matte nude pink color. The formula is just a bit too dry and thick in my opinion. Here's the finished look using products from both the June Ipsy Glam Bag and Boxycharm by Ipsy. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.